my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you're interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So for today's video, you guys know by the title already, this is going to be a makeup tutorial again, because makeup tutorials are my favorite thing to film, so I never miss a chance to shoot makeup tutorials. And for today's makeup tutorial, I have created this fresh, glowy, summery look. I hope you guys are liking it, and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I have already moisturized my face using this Pond's Super Light Gel. Now I will move on to my primer. I'm using the same purple primer, and then I will use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and mix that with the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. So let's do it. This is in the shade Golden Tint. Then I will apply my Faces Canada Compact. Next, I'm moving towards my brows. I'm using this Swiss Beauty number 03 palette to fill in my brows. I'll use this shade. Now we will do the eye makeup, and for that today I'm using this Nikake palette, Oh Honey palette. And I will take this brown shade for my transition. Next, I will take this yellow and apply it all over my eyelid. Summer calls for yellow. That is what summer means to me. So since we are creating a nice summery look today, I should definitely use yellow. So this is how it's looking right now, and I'm in love. I usually love yellow, and this is looking so pretty. And next we will move on to an eyeliner, and today I'll be using this eyeliner from NY Bay. This is the NY Bay Ellis Island eyeliner in the shade green. I thought green would look fabulous with this yellow. So let's draw a nice liner. So I have created a nice bold thick liner, and I'll do it in this eye and I'll be back. So I'm done with wings on both the eyes, and you guys will be surprised from where I got the inspiration for this eye look. I got this one from this earring. Look at the combination. So I just saw this and I thought I need to create this combination on my eyes. So I did it today. And for the lower lash line, I'm using the same brown, and I will just smoke out the lower lash line a little bit. So I'll not be doing much for the lower lash line. I want to keep it that way. And for the inner corner, I would like to pop on this green. Let's see how that looks. Now I will use this mascara, the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Now I will use blush, and for that I am using the Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls blush in the shade Apricot Babe. Now it's time for highlighter, and for that I am using this Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. This is my most favorite highlighter. We'll use the same highlighter on my brow bone as well. It's time for lipstick. First, I will use this lip liner from My Glam. This is the My Glam Lit Matte Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Spoiled. I will also fill in my lips with this one. And then I will apply this NYB liquid lipstick in the shade Mugs and Hugs. And I have also wore the earring that the eye look is inspired from, and this is the finished look. So this is the makeup look that I created in this video, and I'm completely in love with how this turned out. And because this is bright, this is popping, and this is extremely easy to create, so I would love to know if you all liked it. So if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would mean a lot to me. Share this video with your friends and family and comment down below what are the things that you would like to see on my channel. Any suggestion that you have, please drop them down. I would love to know. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link of my Instagram handle in the description below, so you can definitely check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.